Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video. So today I'm gonna share with you how you can set don't show this friend to your post. Okay, so for example, if you post something but you want that your some friend in your friend list, they will not able to see your post. So how can you select this, or how can you uh, do this thing? Watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So that's why you go to Facebook. So I'm just going to click my Facebook account or Facebook app, then click here your profile, this one. So simply click on this and again click your profile timeline. Then okay, for example, I posted this status and here I'll get the option three dot. So simply click three dot. Okay, and when you click that, then you'll see the option edit privacy. So edit privacy, click edit privacy, then here will get the option friends accept. So okay, friend accept, it means don't show to some friends. So when you click on that, then you have to search here your friend. I don't have any friend in this account. So if you want to, for example, you can search any friend, then when you the friend come in this option, search option, then simply click on that friend, then it means that friend will not able to see your Facebook post on a specific post. Okay, so you can select more friends there and they will edit here. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today is no more friend, and thank you for watching this video.